Bullish Ethereum Classic cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $91.82 and $199.97 by 2030. Market examiners accept and so forth could reach $91.82 by 2025. Bearish Ethereum Classic market cost expectation for 2022 is $16.32. Ethereum Classic presentation. With rising expansion in the worldwide economy, digital currencies keep on building up some decent forward movement as they are viewed as a support against a monetary rut. This has made an upset in the conventional area of money as additional financial backers and monetary foundations embrace the utilization of computerized monetary standards like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, and numerous others with a great many different advantages they present. Ethereum Classic has demonstrated to be quite possibly of the most grounded entertainer through the cycles with an impressive market cap, in this manner drawing in a convergence of engineers, manufacturers, and financial backers to the organization. It is viewed as the primary Ethereum hard fork, and regardless of its solidarity, it has demonstrated to likewise be a dangerous resource due to the discussions encompassing the production of the token. In this video, we'd investigate the Ethereum Classic biological system, the hidden qualities, and the future cost expected in light of specialists' perspectives in our examination. What is Ethereum Classic? Ethereum Classic is a blockchain convention made in 2016 from the Ethereum organization, and so on is an open-source network that means to give decentralized strategies to facilitating and creating applications, managing on-chain exchanges without mediators, and so forth. It capabilities in a deflationary strategy, which implies that the token was worked to be more significant than the parent coin Ethereum, which has a proper stockpile. This blockchain was likewise a consequence of the DAO hack on the Ethereum convention, bringing about a hard fork that planned to return the assets that were lost in the assault to the primary locations. The distinction among Ethereum and Ethereum Classic isn't so unmistakable besides locally base and market cap, because of the significant piece of the improvement group having a place with the Ethereum establishment, and so forth has battled to stay aware of the headway and component improvement. The Ethereum Classic convention can't be altered. Not normal for the Ethereum blockchain, in light of the administration of the convention. Likewise, concerning the administration interaction on every convention, and so on works on the aggregate commitment of both the organization clients and designers. Ethereum Classic underscores the turn of events and security of its brilliant agreement while keeping up with the adaptability of the blockchain. They expect to keep up with the simplicity of activity among the designers as much registering power isn't expected to mine or work the organization. Ethereum Classic basic investigation. At the hour of Ethereum Classic's origin, it was drafted that the Ethereum holders would be allowed an and so forth airdrop, which assisted in keeping up with the stockpile limit inside the digital currency with showcasing. Nonetheless, as the two chains developed, the stockpile changed due to the elements of token upkeep on their conventions. The group behind the and so on is exceptionally enhanced as the blockchain is dealt with by many fragments like the advancement quarter and assets. Obligations on the organization are shared by a larger number of people of these groups while keeping the distance in direction and decentralization. Creating open doors for the organization used to be dynamic individuals and chain upgrades, mining ranch improvement, and dealing with the occasions on the stage. Ethereum Classic current cost. Ethereum Classic is presently worth $20.41 USD. And so on has moved 4.93% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $360,759,189. Ethereum Classic is presently positioned 23 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $2,812,748,218 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling uniqueness from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Ethereum Classic to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Ethereum Classic value forecast 2022. Ethereum Classic, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The and so on cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $30.61. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $28.57 in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. And so forth is supposed to have a base worth of $24.49. Ethereum Classic value expectation 2023. In 2023, Ethereum Classic and so on cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of and so on will before long outperform $51.01. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the and so on's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, and so on will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $40.81 and a typical exchanging cost of $44.89. Ethereum Classic Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $71.42 and so on may benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met, and so forth is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $65.30 and a low of $61.22 in 2024. Ethereum Classic Value Expectation 2025. In the event that Ethereum Classic effectively helps market opinion among digital money fans, and so on coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, and so on will be green in 2025. The and so on is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $91.82, with a base cost of $81.62 and a typical cost of $85.70. Ethereum Classic Value Expectation 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the and so on cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $106.11 by 2026, with a base cost of $102.03 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, and so on has a greatest value worth of $112.23. Ethereum Classic Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $126.51. In the event that and so forth figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $132.64. Neglecting to assemble the help and so on needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $122.43. Ethereum Classic Value Forecast 2028. While and so forth is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $142.84 and a yearly cost close above $153.04 in 2028. Ethereum Classic Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Ethereum Classic will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $163.24 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $173.45, averaging out at $167.32. Ethereum Classic Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary